Hi Pisces, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for July 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called to dive into this vintage wisdom oracle cards. With respect to your love life, I will use this love oracle deck. Pisces, I'm also being called upon to use Archangel Raphael healing cards for a message with respect to your health. Pisces, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of June, stepping into July 2021, we have the High Priestess. I think communication had increased a great deal for you. Communication had also brought in gains for you. Many of you were also being called upon to commute great distances. Basically, Pisces, you were being called upon to assist others. But sometimes, you may have felt as though people are ungrateful or they fail to acknowledge your good deeds. Nevertheless, I think the universe is definitely going to reward you handsomely. Obstacles to overcome this month, the challenges that July is going to present for you is the Page of Wands. Certainly this month you're being called upon to unravel the real purpose of your life. Maybe you're desiring clarity with respect to where your life is heading. I think this month also presents you the chance to rectify your past mistakes. You'll be quite restless and impatient as well. Maybe there'll also be strange dreams. Definitely, Pisces, you're quite intuitive and you are being asked to pay attention to these dreams or the omens that are there around you. Influences for this month, we have the Six of Swords. Sometimes you may be undecided about whether to proceed or not, but then towards the 11th hour you will get up and get moving. I think the energy flow is such that you need to capitalize. Even if it's last minute work, you should do it because everything will fall in place for you. Basically, you have to adapt. You have to sail with the changes. Some of you may also be making those travel plans this month, or perhaps you'll be commuting great distances. Official paperwork could also take up your time. Maybe you want to get your licenses renewed, or maybe you're dealing with lawyers or legal eagles. Incidentally, this month, Pisces, you could also be a bit temperamental. Maybe you needn't be too critical of others, especially your dad. The first 10 days of July, we have the Hierophant. Life-changing experiences are quite likely for you. There'll be spiritual experiences as well. Maybe you will understand what you need to do, or you will understand that the problems that you're encountering in this life are spiritual problems. The insight that you gain is going to help you heal. Some days, you could be in a very foul or sour mood. So that is why it would be best to recharge your batteries. Maybe you need to take a back seat. You need to cover up on your sleep because you could be sleep deprived, and this could make you a bit tetchy. Professionally, I think Pisces, you need to promote your talents. Maybe your family members could also suggest a work idea which was always there at the back of your mind. I think you're just being reminded to focus on the same. As an employee, you may find that your superior could saddle you with excess work. Maybe your superior could ask you to review the task done by a colleague, but you will sidestep the issue because you know that this person will walk away with all the plaudits and you will get the wrong end of the stick. You should also be prepared because your superior could also change your plans or change the schedule. This is being done to unsettle you, but then you are quite competent and you will not let anyone outsmart you. Perhaps there are even jealous colleagues around you, so you should be mindful of that. Incidentally, this month is also the time when you should ask for favors. You will definitely be obliged. From 11th to 20th July, we have the Hangman. I think, Pisces, you need to safeguard your health. Maybe emotionally and physically you could be a bit worn out and tired. The stress of work or the responsibilities that are there on your shoulders could also weigh you down. Perhaps your boss could also want to increase the workload. Basically, you already have a lot on your plate, and now the extra work could also take a toll on your health. Anyway, in this time, I think you need to prioritize, you need to adapt. You should also use your intelligence to good effect and make the most of the situation. By the way, Pisces, I think while working, you should not overlook the details. Sometimes, staff could also be playing truant. That is why you have to step up and take responsibility. Pisces, in case you're expecting a higher position at work, or in case you're hankering after the top job, you could be a bit disappointed. So you need to lower your expectations a bit. I think you could also be a bit unnerved on account of the bias that exists within the home front or within the office environment. Nevertheless, Pisces, I think this month you'll also be quite charitable. Your goodness definitely adds to your magnetism. The final days of July, that is towards 21st to 31st July, we have the Knight of Cups. There could be unnecessary arguments. I think you should not assume too much. Maybe you're going to jump the gun, and this means that your emotions could play havoc. Sometimes, you may feel as though you need to assert yourself because everybody is taking advantage of you. I think you do feel that you're always being asked to sacrifice yourself within the family or within the work environment. You're also somebody who doesn't like to talk about whatever you have done for the family. That is why I think it's imperative for you to enumerate the good deeds. While working, Pisces, in this time you should show more urgency. I think you should network. You should focus on the feedback that is coming your way. I think colleagues could complain that you don't show any urgency. Perhaps you want to work in a very systematic fashion. You like discipline and order. While dealing with clients also, Pisces, you may find some clients expecting more than their pound of flesh. Maybe you feel that you are being fleeced or taken for a ride. At times, the work environment could also be a bit stifling because some workers are keeping an eye on you. Perhaps you should do some aura cleansing. Maybe there's also black energy around you, which is affecting you and your relationships. With respect to your love life, we do have this card on the rebound. Maybe Pisces, you're dealing with this person who has had a breakup and who has turned to you. Maybe this person has moved quickly from one relationship to another or towards you. Basically, there may not be any emotional bonding with this person because he has not done away with his past or he hasn't got closure. So you should think very carefully before you enter into such a relationship. Incidentally, single Pisces, I think there will be admirers. Maybe you will also discuss your past admirers with your confidant. Someone definitely has intense love for you. Perhaps this person is also going to keep his ego aside and he is going to try to reach out to you. Sometimes, you may also think that your admirers had marriage on their mind but you were not ready. In case Pisces, you are in an unacknowledged relationship, I think you will be discussing work with this person. Possibly you will bounce ideas off each other. Sometimes, you may feel as though it's always you who is making the effort while this person is not reciprocating. Nonetheless, your thoughts seem to be aligned. Romancing Pisces, I think there could be dreams with respect to your connection. Maybe you think this person ardently loves you. Anyhow, romancing Pisces, I think your lover is somebody who finds you quite witty, intelligent. Maybe you have that go-getter attitude. You will definitely plan date nights together. In case yours is a secret romance, I think you should be careful because somebody could want to talk about your secret romance with your family elders. I think you don't want this person to bother you or to poke his nose in your affairs. This could leave you a bit distressed as well. Maybe this person wants you to put an end to this relationship. For some of you, I'm also picking up that an ex-flame could also want to reconnect with you. Perhaps this is the person who wants to offer you his cup of love once again. But you don't want anything to do with him. That is why you could leave him heartbroken. I think this is also the month if you want to rekindle a romance or if you want to renew contact with someone who has pulled at your heartstrings. Married Pisces, I think you have to deal with a person who is quite demanding. Maybe he wants you by his side all the time. But then you have other responsibilities. Maybe you want to be all by yourself or be with your children. I think Pisces, your spouse could also have reservations if you want to have reunions with your family members, especially your biological family. Maybe this could leave you a bit teary-eyed. Ideally, I think you should avoid tips. Maybe you need to remain calm. Money could also affect your marital life. Maybe your spouse thinks that you're profligate. From the Vintage Wisdom Oracle cards, we have purity. I think this month you're desiring purity of the soul. Maybe you want to declutter, let go of things, or maybe you want to introspect and spend time all alone. Perhaps you should confront the issues that are bothering you rather than avoid them or push it under the carpet. Pisces, perhaps you should also do some heart chakra cleansing as well. Maybe it could remove the blockages that are there. Archangel Raphael is asking you to seek home help this month. Perhaps you need assistance. Maybe your responsibilities are weighing you down. That is why Archangel Raphael is asking you to seek assistance from loved ones. You could even involve your children or hire a housekeeping staff. I think Pisces, this month you should delegate responsibility. You should lighten your burdens. Perhaps this could also prevent you from having those mood swings. I hope Pisces you liked your reading. This is Char with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.